Under first subject grammar. Today I am going to teach you about vowels. Vowels means swar. There are five vowels in English alphabet. इंग्रजी मुळाक्षरामध्ये 5 स्वर असतात. These 5 letters are called vowels. या 5 अक्षरांना स्वर म्हणतात. ते ए, ई, आय, ओ, यू हे आहेत. नाव in the first picture there is a cat. The spelling of cat is C-A-T. In cat word there is one vowel A. In second picture bed. The spelling of bed is B-E-D. In the word bed E is vowel. Third picture is of jeep. The spelling of jeep is Z-I-P. In Z-I-P, I is vowel. Next is dog. In the word dog, O is vowel. Next is bus. In the word bus, U is vowel. Next is ant. In ant word, A is vowel. Next is owl. In the word owl, O is vowel. Next is egg. In egg word, E is vowel. Next is socks. In the word socks, O is vowel. Next is hen. In hen word, E is vowel. Next is van. In van word, O is vowel. Next is whale. In word whale, E is vowel. Next is cub. U is vowel. Next is elephant. In elephant word, E, E and A are vowels. Next is house. In house word, O, U and E are vowels. The last picture of a rabbit. The rabbit word has A and I vowels. As this way, in each word there is at least a single vowel. Any word can't prepare without using vowels.
Sir.
Now we are going to see the uses of vowels. Write the missing vowels and complete the words. In those given pictures, there are some vowels in the blank place. Now you have to use which vowel comes on the blank place. In the first picture there is a ball. The spelling of ball is B-A-L-L. A vowel has used here. Now see what is the spelling of ball and use here proper vowel. The spelling of bull. Use proper vowel in the blank place. See the spelling of cup and use proper vowel in the blank place. Now the see spelling of cup, cap and use proper vowel. Spelling of coat, sack. What is the spelling of sack? And use proper vowel. Socks. See the spelling of socks and use proper vowel. Nose. What is the spelling of nose? And use proper vowel in the both places. Now see the spelling of shoes and use two vowels here. Spelling of beer and use proper two vowels. So what is the spelling of book? And use vowels in the blank place. What is the spelling of fingers? And use proper two vowels. What is the spelling of slate? And use proper vowels. What is the spelling of train? And use proper vowels in the blank place. What is the spelling of ring? And use proper vowel in the blank place. What is the spelling of pin? And use proper vowel in the blank place. What is the spelling of duck? And use proper vowel in the blank place. Mango. What is the spelling of mango? And use proper vowel in both places. What is the spelling of nut? And use proper vowel in the blank place. As this way you can use A, E, I, O, U and prepare proper spelling using the vowels, proper vowels.